I know exactly what answer you just blurted out. 15 minus 5 times the quantity 2 plus 1, and I'm here to tell you, you're wrong. Here's what most people do. They see 2 plus 1 and get 3. Then they think, 15 minus 5 is 10, and 10 times 3 is 30. Boom, 30. That's your answer, right? Nope, you just violated the order of operations. Parentheses first, yes, but then multiplication comes before subtraction. You can't just go left to right on this one. Let me break it down. 2 plus 1 equals 3. Now 5 times 3 equals 15. Only now do we subtract. 15 minus 15 equals 0. The answer is 0, not 30. This problem is ruthless because your brain wants to subtract first, but multiplication always beats subtraction in the order of operations. Always. If you got baited, hit that like button and subscribe. I've got a whole playlist of problems designed to humble you.